Very shocking news to the country, and men, we don't come here to honor the man where they just give responsibility to help tackle the security situation for Nigeria.
Yes, fellow Nigerians, this is a very sad moment for every one of us. As I know, say Chief of Staff of Army, he joined the people we crashed for the air plane will happen on Friday. You know, although we get another 10 people we still inside the same plane when he die, but the reason why he don't name the rain because he just entered the position. Now only 4 months he just spent for that position, so now he just carry die like this. Although the Nigerian government said that we investigate what happened, Nigerians are waiting to hear what really happened to this man. He never take for the position, he just carry die like that. As you can see, a lot of people are in pains, a lot of people are crying right now. His wife and children, his family, his siblings, everybody are in deep pains. I understand that a lot of Nigerians might say, okay, make all of them, they made something, they happen to this, happen to that because of the bad government we have. But in the other way around, you know, not all of them are bad. You know, we still have at least 2-3% of good people inside this same bad government. You know, this one a very, very Black Friday for all Nigerians, because this man have never done anything bad that we can actually say against him. So he touched everybody the way he just take command like that. You know, this one BBC Pidgin, we give them credit because now their video now will sublet part of the videos what we will show to now. So we still give Channels TV credit. We still sublet some of their videos to show now where till they go on. Now we attach together to let una know say now today now they want put this Chief of Staff of Army for grant. So in there as we speak, so now inside National Mosque now the day so for where they want do a own funeral. So family and friends are inside here. We could listen to the BBC PG representative and also we could listen to NIGERIAN representative, how both of them go to analyze this video for una do well, my people.
In body don't arrive the mosque, and any moment from now they go honor him, pray, do the funeral prayer, and then from there they will carry and go the military they go the cemetery, the national military cemetery, where they go bury him. So you see people in tears, family members, people in tears. It's in a very heartbreaking moment. Men, women, family members, people in tears to show their emotion. They know if you hold back their tears, and they in pain. They know if you believe, say, the man will just enter power just few months ago, no longer they are alive again. Okay, so they push us back now, but in body don't arrive the National Mosque, like I say, for the funeral prayers. We're going to talk to a few persons where Sabian and where they are very emotional at the moment. The country, they in mourning, friends, family, loved ones, they in tears, sake of waiting don't happen. And bros, well done. I see say you they in pains, and I know say you they cry. What in your relationship with Atahiru, and how you feel about him death?
Very sad. The most important, the Chief of Staff is my Oga. I've been working with him since 2008. This man was very dear for me.
Okay. Which kind of work you did do for him? It is well.
I'm his driver.
You are his driver.
Yes.
Which kind of person where Atahiru be?
He is the boss to my Oga. He's the boss to my boss. The man I'm working with is the boss to him.
Okay.
They are working together. My God, I don't even know what to say.
As well.
Thank you.
I see that you're crying too. It is well. Sorry for what has happened. We're sorry. So men, women, the tears, cry of someone people love, family members, people they in tears. His military colleague don't come here. Family members don't dey here. People don't gather for the National Mosque for the prayers. We know say now on Friday night this the plane crash. Him and other 10 officers that then died for the plane crash for Kaduna State. The Nigerian government don't describe in death as shocking. The Nigerian president, I mean to say, other government functionaries or other government officials don't say in death na real blow to the fight against insurgency for Nigeria. We also know say Atahiru don't dey at the forefront of tackling insurgents for the northeastern part of the country. He don't head several departments where they focus on Boko Haram to make sure say they deal with Boko Haram. So when they make him chief of army staff, many people believe say he will do his best to tackle these menace where the country don't face for more than 10 years. But as he be now within death, the country day in mourning. Now real Black Friday for the country and the people of Nigeria. When we talk to some people who don't come here to get their own feeling as what they feel about it. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Can we talk a little bit later?
Okay, fine. I know it's a hard time for everyone.
It's another very sad day in Nigeria because barely 4 months into his appointment, Nigeria Chief of Staff Army Lieutenant General Atahiru Ibrahim lost his life in a plane crash alongside other senior military officers.
God, the big one, oh, you go, shit, man, shit, God.
Now, this happened barely 24 hours after the news of Shakal's death. A military aircraft crashed. Another one disappeared into thin air. Nothing has been heard of it till date. All this happened in just 5 months. We still have 7 more months to go, and these tragedies are already happening in the Nigerian army.
What you have done collectively as part of Operation Turata Kaibongo, you have pushed the Boko Haram insurgents. We are so proud of you. And I believe in the second phase of that operation, you will do more. How's the morale? So ensure you go out there and push them so hard and bring this entire insurgency to an end. All your challenges I've catalogued. I will address all the problems.
Is there something going on we don't know about? Is there something we need to know about before it's too late? From bombing IDP camps to bombing their own soldiers, we all heard the story. Then a pilot was killed in a freak car accident. Now the chief of army staff was involved in the aircraft crash in less than 5 months of being in office. Is it only me that is thinking what I'm thinking? Am I on my own? Are you thinking what I'm thinking? I don't need to say it, but you're thinking it, yeah? We're in trouble in this country. Listen, an urgent intervention is needed. Because there's a lot of dysfunction going on in the Nigerian military. This shouldn't be happening. In this time of insecurity in Nigeria, this is a monumental tragedy, and it's really sad and heartbreaking. And unfortunately, no plane crash has ever been unraveled in Nigeria. Do you know that? Did you notice that? Yeah, a plane crash occurred and it ends there. No investigation. I've not even heard them talk about black box or making use of the black box or anything coming out of the black box. Like, even with the fact that Lieutenant General Atahiru was the highest figure in the army, this is just going to end here. Yeah, he's dead. That's all. Already the president has taken to Twitter to lay out his condolences. And that's where it ends. That's where it ends. Oof. Haven't we come to the day and age where things are supposed to be moving much better for us in this country? Haven't we had enough? There are a lot of suspicions, a lot of speculations about Lieutenant General Atahiru asking questions about the previous administration before him, finances and all that. I have no idea, but people gonna talk, and it's one of the things they're saying, that his death wasn't just a mere accident.
What we have gotten is an explanation.
When you say I offered an explanation, it's as good as an apology. It only tells you the reason why I wasn't here, and the reasons are cogent enough. Even the blind man knows there are problems of internal security in Nigeria. So I think it suffices to explain to this honorable house, the way you work for the Nigerian people is the same way I equally work for the Nigerian people. I command the Nigerian army that is equally peopled by Nigerian representatives from everywhere you come from. Thank you.
And I wish we get clarified on this at the end of the day. I wish we get the answers we need by the time they're done with investigations, if they ever even investigate his death.
My people, this one now very, very heartbreaking. As I look these coffees for granted, my mind they think far. You know, say for this life, nobody they see this one or this kind of thing they come. 4 months ago, when this man want take this job, you know, if he see say after 4 months, now he go die as he carry this job, so if I not take the job, you know, say he get as it be. It's very painful. Although our Nigerian government are so wicked, which we know, but when you see coffees like this on the floor, you know, someone who just took over, you know, just less than 4 months ago, he don't die. He get papa, he get mama, he get children, he get wife. It's so pathetic, man. The thing touched me, not be small, my people. The thing really touched me. May his soul rest in peace, alongside with the remaining 10 people who die follow him. You know, I pray, although we know say Nigeria na country where they corrupt, where as they talk and say they go investigate how he take die, so now only God know if they go really investigate him. And I know so as it just happen like this now everywhere, you're the hot for social media, for ground everywhere. Now till the next 1 month now, you see everywhere come calm. Whether I go even reach the 1 month, you know, they're not go talk about time again. And as it die, so this plane crash of 18, so and only God know how it happen as well. If maybe a natural plane crash, the fit say they go investigate am. But who knows if this plane crash will come carry happen, so say na inside house na they send or they plan am make him die just because of 1 or 2 misunderstanding, or I don't know, you know, within themselves. You know, now they say okay, rather make your kukuma go than, or maybe still get some things when you want reveal, and 1 or 2 persons will know say if you reveal this thing it go affect them, they'll say make a kukuma go, the fit set them up. My people, I understand say na government matter na it be this, but I still want make una still take precaution over this whole thing will happen to this man. So it can happen in everyday life. It can happen, say for example you want travel, you leave your luggage, anybody fit put anything for inside your luggage, as you dey reach the destination where you dey go, they check your luggage, can't find something there, they fit go put your enemy, put am for 50 years imprisonment. You not die, but there's every possibility say person wey die e go better pass you. It's also possible say you dey eat, you forget yourself, leave your food, or you dey drink, you forget yourself, leave your drink, make you quick go toilet, come, they put something for your drink or your food. You know the way that one still be. It's also possible say, in fact, there's every possibility that can lead to something like this. So that's why I'm saying, make we not look and say in government perspective alone, make we look on for another dimension. This one, it pepper me, not be small. May their souls rest in perfect peace. My people, make una take care. Now God, now God bless you now.
This is NAIJA Watch Blog. My name is Ewase. Thanks for watching. And before you go, don't forget to kindly subscribe, like, comment, share. Also follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and like our page on Facebook.